Imagine a mid-range smartphone offering top-tier features that usually come with flagship models. Sounds too good to be true, right? But what if I told you that the iPhone Special Edition 4 might just be the phone that changes the game in this category? According to leaks from a trusted source, we're starting to see hints that this phone will bring more than just a basic upgrade to Apple's Special Edition line. With an expected price tag of $499, it's setting up to deliver incredible value for money. Before we get into the details, if you're thinking about upgrading your phone, don't forget to check out the Galaxy S25. By reserving it now, you could score a chance to win $50 Samsung credit, with the possibility of additional savings of up to $1,250, plus a chance to win $5,000 Samsung credit. But now let's get back to the iPhone Special Edition 4. This new release is shaping up to be one of the most exciting mid-range smartphones of the year. Some reports even suggest that it could potentially compete with the upcoming iPhone 16 in terms of sales, which says a lot about the power it's expected to pack. What really stands out about the iPhone Special Edition 4 is the rumored inclusion of the dynamic island. If you've seen the iPhone 14 Pro, you're familiar with this innovative feature that replaces the old notch with a sleek pill-shaped cutout. The dynamic island serves more than just an aesthetic purpose, it's also practical. It houses the face identification system and the selfie camera while providing additional functionality. Users can view notifications like music controls or incoming calls without interrupting their current task. For a mid-range phone, this upgrade is something to look forward to as it gives the device a premium look and feel. Under the hood, this phone is rumored to feature the powerful A18 chip, the same processor expected in the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus. This processor promises a significant performance boost, which could make the Special Edition 4 one of the fastest mid-range smartphones available. There's also talk that it might support Apple Intelligence, a feature not available in the standard iPhone 15. This edition could open the door to more advanced functionalities, putting a Special Edition 4 on par with more expensive models in terms of features. Now let's talk about pricing. The iPhone Special Edition 4 is expected to cost $499, which is $70 more than its predecessor. While this may seem like a bit of a price bump, the improvements it brings seem worth the extra cost. For a phone that packs flagship-level features at a more affordable price, the increase seems reasonable. However, there might be some compromises when it comes to the display. The Special Edition 4 is expected to have a 60Hz display, which in 2025 feels somewhat outdated. Many mid-range phones now come with 120Hz displays, offering smoother scrolling and better responsiveness. But considering that even the iPhone 16 will also feature a 60Hz display, it seems Apple doesn't see this as a major issue. For most users, this might not be a deal-breaker, especially when you consider all the other features packed into the device. The iPhone Special Edition 4 is expected to make its debut in the spring, though the exact release date is still a mystery. If the rumors are accurate, it could become a serious contender in the mid-range smartphone market, directly competing with models like the Galaxy S56 and the Pixel 9a. It might even challenge the iPhone 16, offering a similar experience at a fraction of the price. So what do you think? Is this the mid-range phone you've been waiting for, or do you think it will fall short? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest tech news. Are you curious about how slim a smartphone can get while still packing in all the powerful features we love? Well, Samsung has something exciting in the works for 2025 with the Galaxy S25 series, and one model in particular is turning heads, the Galaxy S25 Slim. This sleek device is expected to launch alongside the base Galaxy S25, the Galaxy S25 Plus, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra, possibly at the Unpacked event coming up or in the following months. So what makes the Galaxy S25 Slim stand out from the crowd? The Galaxy S25 Slim's defining feature is its ultra-thin design. In fact, it's the thinnest in the S25 lineup, with a profile measuring just 6.4 millimeters. To put that in perspective, the regular Galaxy S25 is expected to be slightly thicker at 7.2 millimeters, while the Galaxy S25 Plus is a touch thicker, still at 7.3 millimeters. For those seeking even more premium features, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be the thickest at 8.2 millimeters. Yet, despite these variations, the Galaxy S25 Slim clearly stands out, offering a remarkable combination of style and practicality. However, while the Galaxy S25 Slim is impressively slim, it won't claim the title of the thinnest Samsung phone ever. That honor still belongs to the Galaxy 8, which was released back in 2015 and measured just 5.7 millimeters. But in the context of today's smartphone designs, the Galaxy S25 Slim is a striking example of how far we've come, balancing a slim profile with the power and performance users expect. If you're wondering how the Galaxy S25 Slim stacks up against Samsung's foldable devices, it still manages to hold its own. Take the Galaxy Z Fold 6, for example, which measures just 5.6 millimeters when unfolded. However, once it's folded, it becomes significantly thicker at 12.1 millimeters. Similarly, the Galaxy Z Flip 6, known for its compact design, measures 6.9 millimeters when unfolded. So, while the Galaxy S25 Slim may not be as thin as some foldables, when folded, it offers a more traditional ultra-slim design that is perfect for users who prefer a regular smartphone without the extra bulk of a foldable. Samsung is clearly pushing the envelope with its Galaxy S25 series, and the Slim model plays a big role in that. It isn't about breaking records for the thinnest phone, but about creating a device that offers excellent portability, a premium design, and reliable performance. The Galaxy S25 Slim is a perfect fit for those who prioritize aesthetics, portability, and a sleek, lightweight phone without compromising on essential features. In addition to the Galaxy S25 Slim, the S25 series will offer a range of options for different user needs. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will cater to those who want top-tier performance, cutting-edge technology, and larger displays, while the base and Plus models provide a great balance of power and affordability. But for those who want something that's both functional and stylish, the Galaxy S25 Slim is sure to be a standout choice. As technology continues to evolve, it's clear that consumers still want phones that are thinner, lighter, and easier to carry without sacrificing performance. The Galaxy S25 Slim delivers on this front, offering a sleek, modern device that fits perfectly in your hand and in your pocket, all while keeping up with the demands of today's smartphone users. Whether you're looking for a phone that's easy to handle, lightweight, or simply gorgeous, the Galaxy S25 Slim is sure to impress. Samsung's decision to release the Galaxy S25 Slim shows that even in a world where smartphones are constantly evolving, there's still room for innovation when it comes to design. It may not set any records for thinness, but it's certainly one of the most stylish and portable smartphones Samsung has created in recent years. The Galaxy S25 Slim will likely be a top choice for anyone looking to upgrade their phone in 2025. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Are you ready for the next big thing in the smartphone world? The wait is almost over as Samsung gears up to unveil the highly anticipated Galaxy S25 series on January 22, 2025, during the Unpacked event in San Jose, California. While we're still a few days away from the official launch, leaks and rumors have already given us a sneak peek at what's to come, and it's looking like Samsung is about to shake things up with this release. One of the most exciting parts of any new smartphone launch is the accessories that will be available alongside the device, and the Galaxy S25 is no exception. Samsung has always offered a wide variety of accessories, and this year, we're seeing a lot of exciting options that will make your new device even better. Whether you're planning to grab the Galaxy S25 as soon as it hits the market or are just curious about what Samsung has in store, these leaked accessories are definitely worth paying attention to. Let's start with the cases. Samsung is known for offering a range of options, and this time there's something for everyone. For those who prefer a simple and sleek look, silicone cases will be available in a variety of colors. These cases are soft to the touch, lightweight, and perfect for those who want to keep their device protected without adding any extra bulk. The best part? The colors of these silicone cases will match the new shades of the Galaxy S25, so you can get a case that complements your device perfectly, whether you prefer something subtle or a bit more vibrant. If you're looking for something with a bit more personality, Samsung will also offer textured cases. These cases provide a unique look and feel, making your Galaxy S25 stand out from the crowd. Some of these texture cases even come with built-in stands, allowing you to prop up your phone for hands-free use. Whether you're watching videos or browsing the web, the built-in stand adds extra convenience to your device. For those seeking a more premium option, Samsung will offer leather covers for the Galaxy S25. These cases come in a variety of elegant colors, such as black, white, brown, and gray. Not only do they give your device a luxurious high-end feel, but they also provide durable protection. If you want your Galaxy S25 to look and feel sophisticated, these leather cases are the perfect choice. But Samsung isn't stopping there. They've also designed some fun, funky cases for the Galaxy S25. If you want to express your personality, these unique cases come in bold patterns, bright colors, and unconventional designs. These cases add a fun element to your device while still offering the protection you need. In addition to the cases, Samsung will also offer an anti-reflective film for the Galaxy S25. This accessory helps reduce glare and improve the display experience, especially since the Galaxy S25 is expected to have one of the best screens on the market. If you've ever struggled with screen reflections, particularly in bright outdoor conditions, this film will make using your phone much easier by ensuring a clear, crisp display no matter where you are. All in all, Samsung is offering a wide range of accessories that will allow users to personalize and protect their Galaxy S25 in style. Whether you prefer a sleek silicone case, a premium leather cover, or something more fun and unique, Samsung has something for every type of user. The anti-reflective film will also make using your phone in bright conditions much more enjoyable, giving you a top-notch viewing experience. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.